The health benefits of apricots. Nature's delicious powerhouse apricots, with their vibrant orange hue and juicy flesh, are not just a delightful summer treat but also pack a powerful punch of nutrients and health benefits. Belonging to the prunus genus alongside peaches, cherries, and plums, apricots are enjoyed worldwide for their sweet taste and versatility in culinary applications. Beyond their delicious flavor, apricots boast an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and well-being. In this article, we delve into the various health benefits of apricots and explore why incorporating them into your diet can be a wise choice for promoting a healthy lifestyle. Nutritional profile of apricots. Apricots are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients, making them a nutrient-dense addition to any diet. A typical serving of apricots, about 100 grams, provides approximately calories, 48 carbohydrates, 11 grams fiber, 2 grams vitamin A, 12 of the daily value DB vitamin C, 10 of the divide potassium, 6 of the divide iron, 3 of the divide. Apricots are also a good source of vitamin E, vitamin K, and various B vitamins such as B6, niacin, and folate. They are low in fat and contain no cholesterol, making them a heart-healthy option for those looking to manage their weight and cholesterol levels. Promoting eye health. One of the standout health benefits of apricots lies in their high vitamin A content. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. It helps prevent age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and supports overall eye health by protecting the surface of the eye cornea and aiding in the functioning of the retina. Consuming apricots regularly can contribute to maintaining optimal vision and reducing the risk of vision-related issues as we age. Boosting immune function. Apricots are a notable source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in boosting the immune system. Vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. It also helps protect cells from damage and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Including apricots in your diet can help strengthen your immune defenses and promote overall well-being. Supporting heart health. The potassium content in apricots is beneficial for heart health. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. By maintaining a balance of potassium in the body, apricots contribute to lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, the fiber content in apricots supports heart health by promoting healthy cholesterol levels and aiding in digestion. Aiding digestion. Apricots are rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber is essential for maintaining digestive health as it adds bulk to stools, making them easier to pass. This helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. The soluble fiber in apricots also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy digestive system not only improves nutrient absorption but also supports overall immune function and reduces the risk of gastrointestinal disorders. Anti-inflammatory properties. Apricots contain phytonutrients such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. The antioxidants found in apricots help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation throughout the body, thereby potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Bone health. Apricots contain several nutrients that are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones, including calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin K. Calcium and phosphorus are essential minerals that contribute to bone structure and strength, while vitamin K plays a role in bone mineralization and reducing the risk of fractures. Including apricots in a balanced diet can support bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, especially when combined with other calcium-rich foods and regular physical activity. Skin health and anti-aging benefits. The combination of vitamins A, C, and E in apricots makes them beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A supports skin cell turnover and repair, vitamin C promotes collagen production for elasticity and firmness, and vitamin E protects against sun damage and environmental stressors. These nutrients work together to nourish the skin from within, promoting a youthful appearance and reducing the signs of aging such as wrinkles and age spots. Apricots can be enjoyed fresh or applied topically in skincare formulations to enhance their benefits for skin health. How to enjoy apricots. Apricots can be enjoyed in various ways to reap their health benefits. Fresh apricots are delicious on their own or can be added to fruit salads, yogurt parfaits, or smoothies for a refreshing treat. Dried apricots make a convenient snack and can be added to trail mixes or baked goods for a natural sweetness. Apricots can also be cooked into jams, sauces, and desserts, or incorporated into savory dishes such as salads and tagines for a unique flavor profile. When selecting apricots, choose ones that are plump, firm, and brightly colored. Avoid apricots that are overly soft or have bruises or blemishes. Store fresh apricots in the refrigerator for up to a week to maintain their freshness. Conclusion: in conclusion, apricots are not only a delicious fruit but also a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. From promoting eye health and boosting immune function to supporting heart health and aiding digestion, apricots offer a wide range of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. Whether enjoyed fresh, dried, or cooked, apricots can be incorporated into various recipes to enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of meals. By including apricots in your diet regularly, you can harness their natural goodness and contribute to a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle.